In this lecture, we are going to be looking at something called Dapps or Decentralized Apps. Ethereum is unique in that it attempts to wield the blockchain as a way to correct what its designers believe is a problematic part of the internet's design. It's like a decentralized app store where anyone can publish their apps, which unlike today's apps, think Gmail or Uber, don't require a middleman to function or to manage a user's information. Dapps connect users and providers directly. One example is to use this design for a decentralized Twitter that's resistant to censorship. Once you publish a message to the blockchain, it can't be erased, not even by the company that created the microblogging system. There isn't one definition of a Dapp, though, as it's a newer concept. A couple of main characteristics are that they're open source and don't have a central point of failure. With this new technology out in the wild, Ethereum advocates might feel electrified by the thought of decentralizing all the things. But the types of applications that users can build with the computing platform might be somewhat narrow. The Ethereum white paper splits Dapps into three types: apps that manage money, apps where the money is involved, but also requires another piece, and apps in the other category, which includes voting and governance systems. The third type we have covered in detail in the course notes called Decentralized Autonomous Organizations or DAO. Here we will focus on the first two. In the first type of app, a user may need to exchange Ether as a way to settle a contract with another user, using the network's distributed computer nodes as a way to facilitate the distribution of this data. The second type of app mixes money with information from outside the blockchain. For example, a crop insurance application that's dependent on an outside weather feed. Say a farmer buys a derivative that automatically pays out if there's a drought that impacts his work. To execute, these smart contracts rely on so-called oracles that relay up-to-date information about the outside world. One such player in this market worth looking at is Chainlink. In today's assignment, I would like you to watch the video on Dapps for a fuller understanding of this subject.